มาawesome.
He's gonna get bogged, which could be scary for him. He's going right through.
Oh, he's losing control. Oh! Oh, how cool is that? Guys, this is my music dedicated to the world, to the love to the world, and enjoy everything the world have. It's a wonderful music for all you fans there. Just wanted to enjoy this music and have fun. The beat of the world, take time, oh. Enjoy the world, take time, hey. Live the world, take time. The beat of the world, everybody sing to me, take time, oh. Enjoy the world, take time, oh. Live the world, take time, oh, take time. Hey guys, this is my journey, and this is how we're going. Few seconds of full documentary for our movement, and yeah, so just get it on record. And that's me. See some of the sea. I just see this, the beauty of the world. Just take time and enjoy the world, the beauty of Australia. What a beautiful rock we have. See those amazing seawater flowing from far. See people going by. I can see the water, just so amazing. And that's how we go, and that's how we started. These are some of the places you enjoy the view. Got it, love it. And these are people that I'm working with. Just step in the water. Okay, yep. Hey, you see, so the people that goes with us. Let's get it. So gone far away. Yeah, just enjoy some of the movement. Ooh. How it going? Yeah. Hey guys, what a beautiful world we have. What a beautiful world we have. Take time. Love the world, take time. The joy of the world, take time to enjoy the world, take time to feel the world, the beauty of the world, joy of the world, take time to enjoy the world, take time to feel the world, the beauty of the world, the joy of the world, take time to enjoy the world, take time to feel the world, the beauty of the world, the joy of the world, take time to feel the world, take time to enjoy the world. One love Australians. One love Australians. I love.
I reckon he just doesn't know, and all of a sudden he'll take off like anything. He's got some video.
Would you like a ladder, mate?
Oh look, he's just getting onto him. Hang on. What's video though? I've never used video on here. No, there isn't.
He's just there, keep going, go!
Twitter, I love every side of Australian and I enjoy it. That's why I always think that the beauty of the world is for you to take time, enjoy the world, take time to feel the world, and take time to know what you are to do in this world before you go off this world. Thank you.